Good morning everyone. Today we will be starting with our new topic, that is profit and loss, that is given in exercise 10.2. So here four new terms you will be studying about. One is cost price, one is selling price, one is profit, and last one is loss. Cost price, selling price, profit, loss, all the new terms that you will be studying in this topic. This is compulsory for you people to write in your notebook. Okay, so here first thing that I want to mention, that this cost price and selling price is for the shopkeeper. Okay, cost price and selling price is for the shopkeeper, not for us. Okay, so the price at which an article is bought, okay, is called the cost price. We can call it CP also. Okay, so here if the shopkeeper is buying an article from the factory, so at which price that article is bought, we call the CP. Suppose a chocolate is bought from the factory at rupees 4. Okay, so that is the cost price of the chocolate as it is brought by the shopkeeper from the factory. Now he is selling that same chocolate to the customer at rupees 5. So that is selling price. The price at which an article is sold is known as its selling price. The same article is sold to the customer, we call it as selling price. Now when we have, as you can see, he has bought it at rupees 4 and he has sold it at rupees 5, it means that he is having a profit of rupees 1. Okay, now sometimes what happens, sometimes he has sometimes factory on this shopkeeper bought things at higher prices, but due to reason they sell it, due to some reason they sell it at lower prices. Okay, lower selling price. So what happened when the CP is more and selling price is less? Suppose he has bought that chocolate at rupees 10, but due to some reason he has sold that chocolate at rupees 5. It means they are having loss. So the difference between cost price and selling price is called profit or loss. It can have profit also, it can have loss also. Okay, cost price minus selling price or selling price minus cost price. If cost price minus selling price, we will have profit. If selling price minus cost price, we will have loss. Okay, two formulas. If CP is more than SP, अगर cost price ज़्यादा है selling price से, इसका मतलब that we are having profit. Suppose the chocolate he has bought at rupees 5 and he is selling at rupees 10. So it means that he is having profit. Okay, if selling price is more than cost price, then the difference between them is always profit. Okay, but profit, there is formula for that. Profit is equals to, how to find out profit? Selling price minus cost price. Selling price minus cost price is the that formula for the profit. But sometimes if selling price is less than the cost price, selling price is less than the cost price, then the difference between them is loss. Okay, it means that SP is more than CP. When SP is more than CP, we will have loss. Okay, and the formula for finding out loss is equals to cost price minus selling price. Okay, so now the thing is that four formulas that we will be using to solve the question. Six formulas we have to use actually. So here first formula that two we have done. Third one is SP plus loss. If SP selling price, if we have to find the CP and selling price and loss is given, so we have to add it, then we will get the CP. And CP plus profit is equals to SP. Okay, so profit is given, cost price is given, SP plus loss is equals to CP, and CP plus profit. अगर profit given है, cost price given है, so we will find out SP. SP minus profit is CP. Okay, SP is given and profit is given. So what you will do, we will find out CP, and CP plus loss is equals to SP. So all these formulas you have to learn by heart so that you can solve the questions. Read the following table here. Now this question is given to you. I have written it like this. So here as you can see, cost price is given 4,350 and selling price is given 3,800. As you can see, cost price is more than selling price. So cost price is more than selling price. It means that profit, and we know that profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So profit is equal to selling price minus, sorry, written wrong. Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Beta here CP is more than SP, it means that we are having loss, or loss is equals to CP minus SP. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. Okay, so 4,350 we will subtract from 3,800. 3,800 we will subtract from 4,350 and we will get rupees 550 as we have done in the class. Okay, so here CP is more than SP, that's why loss. Okay, so loss is equal to CP minus SP. Now the second question that we are having is, we don't have CP here, we are having selling price and we are having loss. As you know that if we are having loss and selling price, it means that we will add. To find out the cost price, what we will do, to find out the cost price, we have to, this one, okay, this one, cost price, we have to find the cost price here. So SP plus loss, SP plus loss is equals to CP, SP plus loss is equals to CP. So we have to add here. So we have the formula CP is equal to SP plus loss, that is 720 plus 90. 720 plus 90 is equals to 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 2 is 11, 1. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So rupees 810 will be the CP. Okay. Now next question is given to you here. CP is given, selling price is not given, but profit is given. So here when we have to find the SP and profit is given, so what you will do, CP plus profit is equals to SP. So CP plus profit is equal to SP. Rupees 586 plus rupees 74. 6 plus 4 is 10, 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 plus 1, 660. Rupees 660 will be SP. Now here again CP is missing, SP is given, but profit is given. So SP minus profit will be the SP minus profit will be the CP. SP minus profit will be the CP. Right. So here 2500 minus 146. The 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 2, 2. So 2354 will be the answer. Now CP is given here again. CP is given 23,875 and loss is given. We have to find the SP. So here what you will do, CP minus loss. CP minus loss and then you will get the SP. So 23,875 minus 2,540. We will get 21. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 2, 1, 2. So 21,335 will be the answer. Now the cost price. This question, I hope that these questions are clear to everyone. We have to use the formulas only. The cost price is of a book is rupees 500 and its selling price is rupees 750. Find the profit. As you can see, selling price is more than the cost price. So obviously we have profit. So profit is equals to selling price minus cost price, and then you will get the answer. This one I have given you homework. You have to write the statement for this sum. Next is, a shopkeeper bought a television for rupees 7,500 and he sold it at rupees 6,950. As you can see, his cost price is more 7,500 but his selling price is less 6,950. So we will have loss. Here he is asking whether he will have profit or loss. CP is more than SP, so we will have loss, and loss is equals to what you will do, CP minus SP. We will find out the loss. Cost price of the television is 7,500. Selling price of television is 6,950. CP is more than SP, so it means we will have loss. Loss is equals to CP minus SP. So 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 9 not possible. Carry 14 minus 9 is equals to 5 and 6 minus 6 is 0. So loss is of rupees 550. Right. Now the next question, again I have given you homework. Here an article is sold for rupees 11,560 at a loss of rupees 1,450. So he is selling it. So this is selling price. This is here loss. Find the cost price of the article. So what you will do, as you are having selling price and you are having loss, so you have to use a formula here to find out the selling price. So cost price we have to find out. So cost price, so selling price plus loss will be the cost price. Okay, so this one I have given you homework, question number 4. And now last question of this exercise. A shopkeeper sold 2 laptops. The cost price of each laptop, means 2 laptops, and the cost price of each laptop is 35,600. He sold one at profit 1,450 and the other at the loss of 960. So we have to find the selling price of both the laptops here. So I have written like this: cost price of the laptop, one laptop, first laptop, that is 35,600. If he is having profit of 1,450, so that's why SP of the laptop will be CP plus profit is equals to SP. Okay, so 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 6 plus 4 10 1, and 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7 3, so 37,050. Now CP of another laptop is again 35,060 600, and loss of another laptop, because this same laptop we are having loss, second laptop. So 0 minus 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, 15 minus 9 is 6, and 4 minus 4 minus 0 is 4, and 3. So it means the CP of another laptop will be 34,640, because CP minus loss is equals to SP. I hope that your doubts are clear. Now I have given you this worksheet. 7 questions are there, and I hope that you people will be able to do all the questions, and 2 questions from here. And I will check your work on Saturday. Please complete your work on time and send me the worksheet on time. Bye bye students.